Alrighty folks, we got a REZNOR Inline Duct heater we're working on. So how this works is there's airflow going through this unit, going that direction. Once this sees airflow, it turns on for command and heats up the air. This is a 400,000 BTU unit right there. Let's get into it. So first things first, what do? We're gonna check incoming power. So we got our wires right here. They come down, pop in, go right through here. It goes to B terminal right there. Let's see if we got power. We're going from B to ground. We got 120 volts right there. So we have power coming into the unit. Do we have a call to turn the heat on, our 24 volt signal? Let's see. So we got a couple different wires coming in here. We got 8 is our 26 volt from the transformer. Looks like we got voltage coming from our transformer. Do we have it going to our call, which is going to be wire 14? So wire 8 is our power from our transformer. It comes down and goes through this 2-wire to a little relay. That relay will close, sending power down onto this white wire. Goes through to our airflow switch. Once the airflow switch closes, it sends power to wire 14 right there, terminal 14. See if we got power there. We got 27 volts. So this unit has a call for heating, but it is doing nothing. Now the next thing to check in the series of operations is going to be, is our inducer motor getting power? Way up there. Is that guy getting power? Which that wire is right here, comes down, we got the neutral, we got hot. Hot comes down, goes right here. Does this have power? That goes to our inducer motor. Yes sir, inducer motor has power but is not spinning. We're just gonna see if this is hot. Cold to the touch. It does have a capacitor up there. Let's see if we can get that changed. So we're gonna shut off power before we do anything. Shut off our main power switch. We're gonna come back down here and somehow get that capacitor out of there. Okay, we got to our capacitor. We had to pull the intake piping off. So now we just gotta get this thing out of there and check it. We're gonna turn our meter over to microfarads, that guy right there. And we're gonna put both leads on this capacitor. One there, one there. Looks like we have a reading of 4.5. This is rated at 5 microfarads right there. 5 microfarads. So this capacitor is still good. We have a failed inducer motor back up in there. Give me a wrap on this unit. We're gonna quote them a replacement motor. So peace.